I didn't expect to feel sympathy for a cursed spirit, but Hanami really challenged my thinking. He never saw himself as evil, just as nature's balance pushing back. That stuck with me. The fight against Hanami at the Goodwill event was cinematic, and revealed just how strong he really was. His concept came from something so real, our own environmental destruction. In a way, Hanami reflects the pain of forests burned, oceans polluted, and life ignored. His flower-patterned eye and bark-like body made him one of the most visually poetic characters in the series. Every move he made felt heavy with purpose, like he was carrying nature's burden alone. He didn't flinch when faced with death. He knew his mission was bigger than him. Hanami's power to absorb life energy from nature to heal was both beautiful and eerie. When Gojo appeared, Hanami's calm turned into desperation, and I could feel the hopelessness.